There are numerous ways and methods people adopt to manage weight. Some are in form of diet, which some may include alterations in lifestyle and can be seen through an increase in physical activities. Japanese water therapy is a medicinal technique that originated in Japan. It aims at maintaining a healthy body through the methods of hydration and a restrictive diet. Let us find out here more about therapy for weight loss. How Japanese water therapy is done. The therapy begins as soon as we wake up, first thing in the morning after getting up and before brushing your teeth. You have to drink 4 glasses of warm water on an empty stomach. Each glass should have a minimum volume of 160 to 200 ml and the water should be natural mineral. It is not necessary to take the 4 glasses in a row without stopping. You can do it calmly in small drinks. After that, you wait at least 45 minutes to have breakfast. The time for eating any meal must be 15 minutes and after each meal, nothing should be consumed for at least another 2 hours. There are no more rules until the night when they gargle with salt water for 2 minutes before going to sleep. Is there any side effect of water therapy? There is no any side effects have been reported, but people are under this therapy have to go to the bathroom many times to urinate. Other symptoms you can experience in this process of detoxification are itching, upset stomach, diarrhea, tiredness, bad mood, feeling discouraged, fatigue, cravings, and headache. It is necessary to consult a professional before carrying out a diet or significant lifestyle changes, as it can cause adverse effect to the health if not executed properly. Health benefits of Japanese water therapy. Number 1. Weight management. An improved digestive system and metabolism can contribute directly to weight management in a healthy way. Number 2. Improves digestive health. Staying hydrated can help improve the digestive system and metabolism and prevent symptoms such as constipation, gas, and bloating. Number 3. Benefits cognitive function. Most of the human brain consists of water and requires hydration to function properly. Hydration can help prevent cognitive impairment. Number 4. Helps maintain body temperature. During the summer season, the body must maintain a healthy body temperature to avoid overheating. Water can help with it and can also improve physical performance. Number 5. Helpful for headache prevention. Migraines and headaches are extremely common among people and can be triggered through dehydration. Adequate hydration can prevent this from happening.